guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Victoria. I'm so glad that you are here. I hope you will consider subscribing. I post new videos every week. I'm really sorry if you can hear my dishwasher. I don't know why I decided to run it right before filming this video, but I did. So just bear with me on that. But today's video is going to be a fall house tour, and I'm only going to be showing you the first floor of my house because that's the only floor of my house that I really decorate for fall or really any holiday. I only decorate like what people see when they come over or like what we mainly see in the house. So I'm just gonna show you that. If you are new here, I live on Eglin Air Force Base. My husband is in the Air Force and we're stationed on Eglin, so we live on base here and we do really like it. I have a couple other videos. I have like an empty house tour and I have a house tour of this house, so I will link those down below if you guys are interested in seeing that, where I show you every single part of the house, every room, and just show you kind of like how we had decorated it over a year ago is when I posted that. So a lot of things have changed. I'm going to try to not go into super detail about where every little thing is because I did that in my last one and a lot of people kind of got annoyed by that. So I will tell you like the big things where they're from, like things that I think most people would ask about. But if you have any questions about where anything is from, just comment it down below and I will let you know. Most of my house is from TJ Maxx or Walmart or Home Goods or Marshall's, stores like that. I don't buy super expensive decor or things for my house. Pretty much everything we have is like a hand-me-down or it's really affordable from those stores that I mentioned. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. But I wanted to show you guys what our house looked like for fall this year, since this is probably the last fall we will spend in this house. So let's go ahead and get started. So we do live in the 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath houses here on Eglin. And this is the first room I'm gonna start with. It's our dining room, that's our front door. That little painting I made at Painting with a Twist here in Fort Walton. So that's really cute, I love that. And then this is our dining room. The only reason I wanted to show you guys this room is because I do put a few little extra things in here for like the holidays. So I have the table kind of decorated. I'm not like a super great decorator, so don't judge me, but I just do like what I think looks good. But I'm definitely not like an interior decorator by any means. So all of these placemats are from Walmart. I have like these gold ones, and underneath I have like some silver ones that I just like lay over there because the gold ones don't protect the table at all. And then I just have like a little centerpiece with these little like fake like light up little candle, what do you call those? Tea lights from Walmart. And then that's pretty much it. This little window, my dad, I guess we bought that from my parents. I thought my dad made it. I think I said that in my last house tour, but he didn't. My mom said we actually bought that. But that Happy Fall is from last fall and I couldn't get it off. It's like a chalk marker. So now it's fall again. So I tried to wipe it off, but it wouldn't come off. But I also wrote like the Foxx's established 2016. So I did have pictures there, but I don't have any pictures hanging there anymore. And then over here is this little like hutch, I guess you would call it. This little hutch is so cute. I love it. I love decorating it. It's like super easy to decorate. You can just like fill it with a bunch of stuff. I know traditionally you would use like dishes for this, but I don't use it for that because I don't really have like nice dishes to put in here. So I just have it decorated with a bunch of little things. I have a couple little fall accents. That's a Scentsy warmer in the back, the Foxx. I don't really use Scentsy warmers anymore, but I got that as a gift a few years ago and I just really like it because our last name is Foxx. So I kept it, but I have like that little jack-o'-lantern. He's from the Dollar Tree, and I just put a few little extra little pumpkins and things in there, so I thought that was super cute. And then over here, Sherman is looking out the window. It's like his favorite thing to do. He's so cute. And I know a while ago, I forget how long ago it was, but I made these sheet curtains from Walmart. It's just twin sheets and I just folded them over at the top and I used the little clips to hang them. It was super easy and cheap. I think the curtain rod, the curtains, and the rings was all under $30 altogether. So yeah, I want to do that in the rest of the downstairs, but I'm not sure if it's really worth it to do. But yeah, that's what I did up here. He's gonna lay down. Okay, I'll be back. So if you go over this way, you walk, and that's like to the main like part of the house that we use a lot. We don't really use our dining room a whole lot, but this whole wall is blank. I haven't really done anything with it and I don't really feel like I will, just because there's really no point. But walking through this way, we have a baby gate for Sherman. Yes, it's not attached, but he doesn't ever like knock it down or try to jump over it. For some reason, I don't know why, he just never tries to. So just having that propped up there, he knows not to go upstairs if it's closed. So we keep that there. And then this little runner we got from someone on base, as well as our new, I guess new to us, living room area rug, which I will show you in a few minutes, which you guys have seen. I've shared it like on my Instagram before, but I love it. And we got it for 50 bucks, the runner and the rug. So that was really nice because Sherman still like throws up and has accidents sometimes, like every once in a while. So it's just nice to not have something super new. So coming through here, sorry, I have the best lighting that I can. I guess I'll turn on some lights if I need to, but our curtains, as you can see over there, are like darkening curtains. So sometimes it's a little bit dark in here, but that's kind of how I like it. So this little coat hook thing, one of our friends here on base made that for us as like a surprise gift. It was really sweet. So it says his and hers, and then it has a little paw print in the middle, and it says Foxx family. So they made that for us. I have to return something to Walmart, and then I have my bag that's also from Walmart, and then another like smaller purse that I kind of switch in between. So I have that when you walk in the door. And then this is our garage door. And then that's just like where we keep some shoes. Over here is everything you guys have seen before. It's this little bench we got at a yard sale. And we have a little sign. And then I guess I will show you guys this bathroom. I haven't put a ton of things in here for like fall, but I guess I'll show it to you anyways. Sorry, it's kind of yellow. That little pumpkin's from the dollar spot last year. Hello, you guys are in the mirror. And yeah, I just have pretty much it decorated like the same as we always have it decorated. But I did get this little cabinet from the family that I used to nanny for. She was selling this in a yard sale for like 20 bucks. And it was like from Wayfair, she said, and it's super cute. I know, I'm not sure if it comes off on camera, but it's like a really pretty like muted green color. But it's not like super bright, so I really like it. And I love this little sign in my bathroom. I think that is so cute, from Hobby Lobby. So the only thing that's fall is that pumpkin in there, and I got that from Michael's, and then I have a little sign that says thankful. So that's it for the bathroom. Okay, so coming out of the bathroom, this is our living room. And like I said, I'm sorry it's a little bit dark, but the curtains I have a hard time opening because they're so thick at the top, they won't really stay. But anyways, this is what our living room looks like. It looks a little bit different probably than the last time you guys saw it. We're always switching around this furniture, but ever since last Christmas when we set it up like this, and we had our Christmas tree over in this corner, we loved this setup like the most out of any of the setups we had, so we kept it this way. But we do have a blanket ladder. A girl on base made it for us. It is so cute and it's so well made. Her and her husband made it for us, and it's just like really sturdy and it's huge. It's like 6 feet tall. So I really like it. And then I did hang up these little pictures. I know a lot of these things aren't fall related, but I just wanted to share with you guys because it's like things you haven't seen, and I love like just sharing things with you guys. So I got these little picture frames at Walmart for like $4 a piece, and these are some photos we had done on the beach, like I forget when it was, like over the summer. So that's that. And then over here, it's our same furniture. I get a lot of questions about our furniture in our living room, and it's from Ashley. Okay, I had to take away a squeaky toy for just a second, but this furniture is from Ashley Furniture, and my parents actually sold it to us when we moved out and into our own home together. So that was really nice of them. It was like brand new when we bought it from them. Almost, it was like a year old. So it's been really good to us, and it's really, really nice. So we just have 2 end tables, and then we actually use the coffee table as our like TV stand. So yeah, so I have a few little fall things over here. I have this little pumpkin. It says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. I love that. And then I have my favorite little spooky pillow. I forget where I got that. I think Home Goods. And then I just have a few little pillows on the couch. My Home Sweet Home pillow. I love that. This is from the Target. Like every year they do those like $10 like whatever you call it, like the holiday blankets. And this is from not last year's, but the year before, so like 2 years ago. And they have one similar this year. You guys can find it at Target, but it's a little bit different, but it's still really cute. So I have that, and I also have another little pumpkin. I have that little sign that says 3. Everybody always asks me why I put the number 3, and it's for me, Devin, and Sherman. I count him as our family, so I have the number 3 because there's 3 of us. And then this is a candle, wood fire apple from Home Goods. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Actually, it might be from TJ Maxx, but I love the DW Home candles. They smell amazing. So that's that. Everything's the same. Like over here, I have this little "There's No Place Like Home" sign from Ross. And then if you come over here, this is where like I love this spot of my house, like my living room and like my kitchen and everything. I think it's so cute. I just have a fall candle burning from Walmart. This was like under $4. It is, let's see if it'll focus, apple pumpkin. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I get some questions about this, like does it fill the whole house with scent? It does not fill the whole house, but it definitely fills like a good size area. And for like $4, you can't really beat it. If you're like on a budget with candles, I think that they're great. So coming over this way, This is a little bit different than the last time you guys saw it. We have Sherman's cage here, which we do have to crate him again. We used to let him free roam once he was kind of like old enough, but then he started messing up a lot of our stuff. So when we leave the house, he goes into the crate, which he doesn't mind anymore. When he was a puppy, he really hated it, but he does get crated now, so only when we're not home. If we're home and like when we're sleeping and stuff, he sleeps with us and he's out, of course. But anyways, this is his crate from Amazon. It's a 48-inch. It's huge. I know you guys can probably tell from the video, it's gigantic. But honestly, he could probably use the next size up. He has plenty of room to lay down, but like if he stands all the way up, it's almost not tall enough for him, which I know is crazy, but you guys, he's so big. So I got this off Amazon, but I couldn't find anyone's bigger than this, so this is fine for him. But if I could get one a little bit bigger, I definitely would have, but that's fine. And then his little basket of toys is over there, which I think I want to get a new one today because this one has just like been through it. It had like a cloth liner and he chewed it up when he was a puppy, so now it's just like a wire basket. But the boy has so many toys, right, Sherman? He has this little Grinch from BarkBox over there. So coming over here, I have my little rug, and then this is my new coffee bar, which I've been so excited to like show you guys. I shared my coffee bar on my Instagram like a few months ago because I posted about it a while ago, but Brittany actually sold me this little cube from, I think she said she got it from Walmart, and I love it. She didn't use it anymore, so I just bought it from her, and they're super cheap at Walmart if you guys want to find them. But yeah, it's from like Better Homes and Gardens. So sorry, the lighting is kind of like shifting over here. But I'll tell you guys where all this stuff is from since I've never talked about it before, but I love my coffee bar. So this little faith sign is from TJ Maxx, same with the little hooks, and then I have some Rae Dunn mugs. I love this style of the Rae Dunn mugs. They're like super cute. And then I have an apron that my grandma actually made, handmade, so I thought that was really special to hang there because you guys know I love to cook and that's really special to me. So I have this little like coffee bar set up. That's just like a regular coffee pot because Devin is the only one who drinks coffee and he doesn't drink it every day, just like, I don't know, I would say like maybe 4 or 5 days out of the week. So he just makes a pot of regular coffee for himself. We don't have a Keurig or anything. So I thought this was really cute. I put some coffee grounds in here in this jar. I used to use it for Sherman's treats, but now I use it for that. And then I have my military wife Rae Dunn mug. My mom found that for me back home and she sent it to me, which was so sweet. And then I have my little Rae Dunn candle. This tray is from Walmart and I got it like 2 years ago, I think, when we first had our first fall together that we lived together in our house. So I have that, and I just have a bunch of little pumpkins and things from the Dollar Tree. Those little baskets are really cute from the Dollar, or what's it called? 5 and Below. And in here I have, this is all tea. Devin loves tea. So I have tea in there, and then down in this one, what do I have in here? Some coffee filters, more coffee grounds, some sugar, just things like that, like reusable tea bags. And yeah, so that's all. It really did not cost that much to decorate this. I used what I already had pretty much, and most of it is either from Walmart or the Dollar Tree. So yeah, so that's my little coffee bar. I know I don't drink coffee, but Devin does, and I just thought it was a cute little way to fill up this space, which was empty before. So coming over here, we have Sherman's little dog food container from Amazon, and I also got him recently these little Rae Dunn bowls. They say woof and bark, which I thought were super cute. And then, like I said, these curtains are from Target, and they're like blackout curtains. They don't like necessarily black everything out. Sorry, it wasn't focused. But it does definitely keep it darker in here. So that's what I have for that. And then this little sign you guys saw in my Dollar Tree haul. I did a fall Dollar Tree haul, and this was one of the things that I bought. I just hung it up with a push pin. This is like base housing life because I don't want to put like big holes in the wall, so I just use push pins. And normally they don't really say anything, so that's that. There's our pantry, our fridge, nothing special over there. But this is also from the Dollar Tree, that little Farm Fresh sign. I thought that was super cute, and I love to change out my dish towels for all of the seasons. So I have this one that says Home Sweet Haunted Home, and then over here I love this one because I love the Wizard of Oz. It says Good Witch and Bad Witch, and it reminds me of the Wizard of Oz when she says, are you a good witch or are you a bad witch? So that reminds me of that. I thought that was super cute. So I just have like a little pumpkin over there, my little letterboard, collect memories, not things. I love that. And also, oh, you guys know I love my willow trees. Well, my grandma sent me this one, and she's like a kitchen angel, and I love it. Isn't she so cute? She's beautiful. So she has a little teapot, so I sat her right on my kitchen windowsill. I thought that was the perfect spot for her. So So I have that, and then coming over this way, this is really it, you guys. Not too much I wanted to show. I don't go all out for decorating, but I just like to add a few little things to make it feel cozy and homey. I love this Pray Without Ceasing sign. I got this from Walmart. I'll turn this light on so you guys can kind of see it better. It's a little wooden sign with like a twine string hanging from it so you could hang it, but it's a Bible verse, 1 Thessalonians 5:17, pray without ceasing. So I love that. I thought that was really cute to sit on top of my stove. And then again, I just have like some little pumpkins. Oh my gosh, I got this new Ray Dunn dog treat jar from TJ Maxx. Really funny. My mom told me she had like a really cute surprise for me for Christmas, and then literally the next day I went out to TJ Maxx and I bought this, and I texted it to her because it was like $12, and I don't like necessarily love Ray Dunn. I really do like it, but it's all kind of expensive to me and I'm not really obsessed with it. So some things I will get. Like, I thought this was so cute, so I paid $12 for this, even though it's probably a lot for a treat jar. It is kind of big though, if you guys can tell. But my mom was like, oh my gosh, I literally just bought you that. So she gave it as a gift to somebody else, but I thought that was really funny. I have my diffuser, which I still really love, and my little cutting board, my little jars I got some questions about. I got those at HomeGoods, and yeah, that's really it. So that is what our house looks like for fall, right, Shermie? So that is it. That is what my house looks like for fall. Again, sorry if you can hear the dishwasher. That's just real life. I looked in the dishwasher and I was like, oh my gosh, it's like so full and I need to run it. But I miss you guys. I'm sorry I have not been posting 2 videos a week consistently. You guys know, just working full time is just hard to have the time. Especially I have really long days at work. Some days I wake up at 6 a.m. and I don't get home until like after 6 p.m. So I have really long days and I'm just really tired all the time. So I'm trying to find the time to film. You guys know I love you and I love filming videos. I love posting videos and sharing my life with you guys. So if you have any requests, leave them down below. Make sure to follow me on all my social media. I always leave that down below linked as well. And yeah, I hope you will subscribe. Sherman is watching like a creep in the background. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.